He looks fired up.
He does.
That's good.
And he looks like he's going to sit down again. There he goes. But this time, Rodolfo he gets a takedown early.
2 points.
Yeah. Koichi now. Bernardo's on that little sort of double leg, single leg. Oh my! He actually puts it off. Oh, that was short-lived.
Not long ago, long enough, but he did get an advantage out of that.
And he's on that collar again. So we'll see. So we're off to a little bit more fresh start here. Maybe he decided he needs to pick up the pace a little bit.
Yeah. But as we've said several times this weekend, takedowns are a nice target.
Yeah.
But against somebody with supernatural balance,
yeah,
there might be better targets for you.
Yeah.
All of the Alliance crew is on their feet.
Yeah. Rodolfo in a good sprawled position. Beautiful ankle pick. That was sweet. Nice ankle pick. No points scored for that.
Ref calls a time. Not sure what for.
They're going to slide him into the middle, maybe. Yep. Yeah, no points awarded on that ankle pick. And you know what? I'm not, seems like a nice takedown to me. But
score remains 2-0.
2-0.
At just about the 2-minute mark. Rodolfo Vieira winning after the takedown of the opening sequence. Bernardo Faria has one advantage for his part.
Yep. And guess what grip he has?
It looks familiar.
Yeah. Is he going to try to come up with this a little quicker this time? We will see.
Somebody in the chat asks, what happened to Dementia this year? He was not here. I have not seen Dementia, not even on the campus here.
Yeah, he wasn't here.
Yeah, somebody in the chat room says deja vu, and deja vu for sure.
Yeah. Yes. He's trying to come up here now, Faria.
There's a question in the chat, what school or what team Rodolfo comes from. He comes from Grappling Fight Team. Not too long, as you can see on his gi patch there on the back, GFT, which not too long ago was known as Gama Filho, from the University of Gama Filho in Brazil. I don't know why they changed it, but.
Bernardo with the lapel grip again, so Rodolfo passing the same way he did in the first match right now. He's gonna get, he may look to get that right underhook. He's got good head position.
So somebody from Gamafillo appears to be responding that the name was changed from grappling fight to, or from Gamafillo to grappling fight because of politics. Oh, I should point out that there was a poll on Facebook by Budo Videos, and they asked who would win this encounter. You want to tell the results, Sean?
Actually, I could guess the results, but I don't know them.
The results were 90% of the voters said Rodolfo Vieira would win this.
Yeah. 10%. So you're saying there's a chance.
Right. I remember that movie
you're
reference.
Saying there's a chance.
Yes. We all remember that one.
Yeah.
That was Dumb and Dumber.
Yes. So now Rodolfo passes through to a much better half guard scenario. Rodolfo might push this knee back through here.
Now here's a question for you, Sean.
Yes.
If you're from Alliance, right, and you say you're in the Alliance leadership, you may be Fabio Gurgel, you could be Jacare Cavalcanti. Do you go back and say, listen, Bernardo, you need to change things up. We got to do something different with you? It's kind of hard to say that because he's so successful against everybody else.
Yeah.
But there's just one guy he can't apply his game to, and it happens, you know, at the end of every event when he encounters Rodolfo Vieira.
Yeah.
What do you do?
I'm sure it's tough to change your game plan right now. I mean, yeah, this game is what's got him to the finals.
Well, yeah, I mean, let's say from now till this time next year.
Yeah, then I maybe,
maybe that's enough time to develop like
an
anti-Vieira.
You gotta.
Yeah,
he's gotta. Right now he's mounted, but Faria's arm is through, but they're gonna give it to him. So he just scored big points.
This feels a lot like the end of the Pan Ams in the Absolute, where it just started to come up to a lot of points.
Yeah, now he's up 9-0.
After 6.5 minutes.
So, maybe we'll see here where Rodolfo, let's see if he goes for the finish now.
Right.
Maybe starts to make more of a statement.
Yeah, look at that mount.
Yeah, that's tight.
Stifling.
Yeah, he's very tight, in good control on the mount. Faria looks very uncomfortable in there. He's trying an Ezekiel choke here. See if he may switch it up to an arm or a cross choke.
Well, if he goes for that arm, there's a good chance he'll lose his position.
Yeah.
Which would start things all over again.
Yeah, he may elect to go to more of a cross choking technique where he can stay on top.
Or lead him into getting his back taken.
Right. 7:20 in.
So we've got about 2.5 minutes left. Rodolfo Vieira is up 9-0 over Bernardo Faria.
Yeah.
Finals of the Absolute of the World Championship. And it looks like that cut has opened up again on Bernardo Faria's nose. Did I see that right?
Yeah, you might have.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Rodolfo right now now Faria gets an arm through and gets the
He gets the same grip again.
A minute 40 left. 9-0.
Yeah, just under about 1 minute left here, a little longer than 1 minute for Bernardo Faria to avoid the same fate as earlier today, as twice at the Pan Ams.
Rodolfo's so good in this position, as knee slide through the middle. It's just eating up some time. Easily counters Faria's move to the single leg.
And this begs the question, right? You know, let's step back for a second. What would have happened if Hodger was here, you know?
Yeah.
That's what everybody wants to know. You know,
exactly.
We have somebody just as dominant in Hodger Gracie year in, year out. And now we have this guy who seems just as bulletproof, right?
Yeah.
As Hodger and Rodolfo Vieira. And everybody was hoping they would see them match up this time. It wasn't meant to be. But maybe it means more anticipation for next year, right?
Yeah, of course.
At the Worlds.
20 seconds. Rodolfo now. Ten seconds left. Passes again. So Rodolfo now takes it a step higher, though. He's the not the Pan Am weight class and absolute champ.